Laibach so več kot glasbena skupina. Zaradi virtualizacije in drugih artističnih elementov so sodoben medij. Vedno skušajo napraviti z glasbo nekaj novega, a ohranjajo tisto značilno prepoznavnost.
When we started to work, the whole thing started to fall apart already because we started to work at the same year when Tito died, at the same time almost. And we, in a way, we wanted to substitute the emptiness of which happened with Tito's death. I only joined to Laibach when I heard the name. I said, this is the right thing, because the name was so contradictory and provocative that it actually opened all these possibilities. And I said, this must be something which will actually create a good substance. The choice of the name is so important, which all parents should be aware when they are actually giving the name to their children.
Odkot pa izhaja njihov izvirni industrijski zvok?
We all, more or less, not everybody, but most of us, we grow up in Trbovlje, which was, and it still is, but at that time it was even more a heavy industrial environment with lots of factories. Some of us as a kids, we worked in those factories. Not that we are obsessed by novelties, because we don't, we believe in a way that nothing is new. All the stories are old. I've heard this poet, Slovenian poet Gregor Strniša, who jumped on the table in Pen Club, and he was drunk, and he said, poetry is not what, because everything has been said, but it is how. How do we actually tell it?
Glede na to, da Laibach obstaja že 30 let, kdo so potem takem njihovi poslušalci?
Audience is changing because most people stop visiting, concerts and being part of popular culture when they actually have to go to work and provide money for their families and so on. So that's approximately around when they're like 25 years old. And then when they're 50 years old, they kind of start to go visiting concerts again to remember how it was, 30 years ago. And that's why you have all these comeback projects and so on. But and our audience is changing. It is changing. But some part of the audience is there all the time, and it will probably get old with the project.
Skupina pa ima tudi srečno številko, 4.
It's the easiest to rhyme, It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, to count. If you have like 4, it's a kind of, 5th, 6th and so on, it's already acquired. But 4, that's a rock formation. You've got like classical thing is Kraftwerk, there are always 4, even if basically there's only this one guy left, Schneider. And Beatles, they were, you still see Beatles as the 4, nevertheless that only Paul McCartney is left, Ringo is God knows where, if he's still alive. And it's, it's the north, south, east, west, the cross, the plus, the whatever, it's just 4 is enough because everybody else can fit in the number of 4. 4 is a group, 3 is a trio, 2 is a kind of double.
V skupini ne uporabljajo svojih lastnih imen, saj so se odločili, da za ustvarjanje imena niso pomembna. Laibach je skupinski projekt.
We don't think that our names are so great to be remembered individually. We decided to work in the group. Art does not belong to individual names.
Kaj pa Laibach meni o downloadanju glasbe s spleta?
Either I'm too lazy or too stupid to download, so I still buy CDs. And to a certain extent, I also respect, all the work which is put into the making of the CD. So I'm not really downloading anything.
Svoje mnenje pa imajo tudi o filmu.
I think nowadays it's really hard to do movies. Very hard to do movies, especially if you go in the low-budget production. And I think this festival here is. Absolutely, I must say this is something incredible, that these guys are doing this festival here in Ljutomer, and it has to be in Ljutomer. I think that's so great for the movie itself, for the development of the film culture and art itself, and doing that kind of festival is so important that I'm kind of speechless about that, seriously. And it's much more difficult to do it now than probably in the old times.